आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states ABCD is a rectangle, R is the midpoint of AD. So this ABCD is a rectangle and R is the midpoint of AD. So that means AR is equals to RD. Then we have two quantities, quantity A and quantity B. In A we have the area of triangle APD. So the area of triangle A, P and D. Quantity B is twice the area of triangle AQR. So A, Q and R. And the options are quantity A is larger, quantity B is larger. The two quantities are equal. The relationship can't be determined from the information given. Now, we know the formula of area of a triangle, which is half into base into height. So we know that the area of a triangle is half into base into its height. And if we observe here, so the area of triangle APD, if I'm talking about the area of triangle APD, it is half of base, which is AD. So I'm going to write it as half into AD into the height. So height is CD or AB, right? Because it is a rectangle. So this angle is 90 degree. The base angle of a rectangle, or all the angles of a rectangle, is a 90 degree. So we can say that this AB or this CD is actually the height of this rectangle A, P and D. So I'm writing this for triangle APD. So I'm going to write the height as AB. Now if I write for triangle AQR, so I'm going to write for triangle AQR. Once again the area is half into the height is once again AB and the base is actually AR, because the triangle being talked about is AQR. So base is AR. So I'm going to write it as AR into the height is once again AB, because this is triangle AQR, this is APD, so height for both the triangles is same. Now we know that here it is written twice the area of triangle AQR, right? So twice, that means we need to multiply this by 2. But also we know that AD is nothing but AR plus RD, because AD is divided by R into 2 equal parts. So I can write this as twice of AR is equals to AD. So what I'm going to write? AD is equals to twice of AR. Why? Because AR and RD are equal in length. So, and AD is equals to AR plus RD, and AR and RD are equal in length. So I'm going to write AD is equals to 2AR. And if I replace the value of AD over here, this becomes half multiplied by 2 into AR into AB. Now this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel out, and now this 2 and this 2 over here cancel out, right? So what is the final value that remains is AR into AB over here, AR into AB over here. So we see that from both the triangles, the conditional area, that means twice of the area of this triangle AQR and the area of triangle APD actually come out to be as equal, which is AR into AB in both the cases. So we say that the correct answer should be option C, which is the two quantities are equal, because twice the area of triangle AQR is equals to the area of triangle APD. And how did we find the answer? By simply using the point that is given to us in the question, that is R is the midpoint of AD. That is it guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।